Have you ever wondered why your feet feel like ice even when the room is warm? Most adults assume it is simply aging, but the truth runs much deeper through your veins. Stay with me until the end because I will reveal a powerful combination that clinical research shows can widen your arteries by 30% in just hours. Meet Margaret, a 74-year-old retired teacher from Seattle. For 3 years, she avoided evening walks because her legs felt like heavy logs. But after learning what I am about to share, Margaret walked 2 miles on her birthday without stopping once. Her secret was understanding how blood actually moves and what naturally helps it flow. Here is what is really happening inside your body. Your arterial walls contain a delicate inner layer called the endothelium. This layer produces a crucial molecule called nitric oxide. It signals the smooth muscles around your arteries to relax and open wider. Research shows that after age 60, production of nitric oxide drops by nearly 50%. Without enough of this molecule, your blood vessels remain constricted. The result is sluggish circulation that makes your extremities cold and robs your muscles of oxygen. But before we continue, let me ask you something important. If you want to discover more life-changing health insights like this one, then please hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos. And here is something exciting: we are running a special giveaway this month. Check the description below to enter for a chance to win a premium wellness package. Now let us explore the 8 most powerful natural beverages that science has proven can restore healthy blood flow. Starting at number 8, we have something surprisingly simple: plain warm water with freshly squeezed lime. Every morning when you drink this combination, you are doing more than just hydrating. The vitamin C in lime juice protects the enzyme responsible for creating nitric oxide. Adults who consumed citrus water first thing showed improved endothelial function within 2 weeks. The warmth triggers gentle vasodilation, which means your vessels naturally relax and expand. People notice their fingers and toes feel warmer after breakfast when they make this a daily habit. At number 7, we find turmeric golden milk. This traditional drink contains curcumin, which enhances blood flow by reducing inflammation in arterial walls. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm almond milk and add a pinch of black pepper. The pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Participants drinking this mixture twice daily experienced a 15% improvement in walking distance after 1 month. Number 6 brings us to celery juice. Celery contains natural nitrates and compounds called phthalides. These relax the tissues of artery walls, allowing blood to flow with less resistance. Subjects consuming fresh celery juice showed lowered blood pressure and improved peripheral circulation within 3 weeks. Blend 4 to 5 stalks with water and drink it mid-morning on an empty stomach. You might notice your face looks more flushed with color within an hour as microcirculation improves. Coming in at number 5 is watermelon juice. This fruit is packed with an amino acid called L-Citrulline. Your body converts citrulline into arginine, which then becomes nitric oxide. Older adults drinking watermelon juice daily had measurably wider arteries after 6 weeks. Blend fresh watermelon, including some of the white rind, where citrulline concentrations are highest. The natural sweetness makes it enjoyable, and the hydration factor helps blood maintain ideal viscosity. At number 4, we have hibiscus tea. These deep red flowers contain anthocyanins, which protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. When oxidative stress decreases, the nitric oxide in your bloodstream lasts longer. Participants drinking hibiscus tea 3 times per day experience significant improvements in blood pressure. Steep 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 7 minutes. The tart cranberry-like flavor is refreshing, especially when served cool. Number 3 might already be in your pantry: raw cacao drink made from pure unsweetened cocoa powder. Real cacao contains high levels of flavonols, which directly stimulate nitric oxide production. Adults over 65 drinking high flavanol cocoa for 12 weeks showed increased walking speed and better oxygen delivery to leg muscles. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder with hot water and your choice of plant-based milk. Avoid adding sugar as it counteracts the benefits. Moving to number 2, we discover red grape juice, specifically from Concord grapes. These grapes are rich in resveratrol and polyphenols that keep artery walls flexible. Adults consuming Concord grape juice improve their flow-mediated dilation, which measures how well arteries expand. After 8 weeks, participants had significantly better circulation and reported less leg fatigue. Choose 100% grape juice without added sugars. A small glass in the evening provides antioxidant protection while you sleep. And now for number 1, the most powerful circulation enhancer. A fusion of fresh spinach, arugula, and cucumber blended with apple cider vinegar. This green circulation. Elixir combines multiple nitrate sources with minerals like magnesium and potassium. Participants drinking leafy green smoothies experienced a 32% increase in nitric oxide levels within 90 minutes. Blend 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 handful of arugula, half a cucumber, and 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with water. The color is vibrant green, almost electric. Within an hour, you may feel a gentle warmth radiating through your lower legs. Now that you know the top 8, let me explain why this matters after age 60. Aging arteries naturally lose their elastic properties. This rigidity prevents arteries from expanding properly when your body needs increased blood flow. Poor circulation does not just cause cold extremities. It weakens balance, slows wound healing, and triples your risk of falls. But circulation is deeply biochemical. Every sip you take from these beverages sends molecular signals throughout your vascular system. These signals tell your body to produce more nitric oxide and feed tissues that have been oxygen-starved. Consistency is absolutely critical here. Nitric oxide has a very short half-life in your bloodstream. It breaks down within seconds to minutes. You must support its production fresh every single day. Think of it like charging your phone overnight. If you skip a day, the battery drains and performance suffers. Let me share a practical daily routine. Begin your day with warm lime water to gently awaken your vascular system. Mid-morning, enjoy turmeric golden milk for anti-inflammatory support. Around noon, have a glass of celery or watermelon juice to provide nitrate building blocks. In the afternoon, sip hibiscus tea instead of coffee. Evening is perfect for cacao or grape juice, which promotes relaxation. This sequence maintains steady nitric oxide availability throughout your waking hours. You will notice benefits beyond warmer legs. Many people report sharper mental clarity because the same arteries that feed your legs also nourish your brain. Let us talk about microcirculation for a moment. While large arteries are important, the real magic happens in tiny capillaries. These microscopic vessels are where oxygen and nutrients actually transfer into cells. Beverages rich in polyphenols, like hibiscus grape juice and cacao, protect these delicate networks. They also reduce the stickiness of blood platelets, preventing tiny clots. If you are new to this approach, start simple. Choose 2 drinks that appeal to your taste preferences. After 1 week, rotate in additional options. Your goal is creating a sustainable habit that becomes automatic. Think of your circulatory system like a garden. Regular watering keeps plants vibrant. Temperature and timing matter more than you might expect. Warm beverages cause faster vasodilation than cold ones. However, cold watermelon juice still delivers nitrates effectively. Balance both approaches: warm drinks for immediate comfort, cold drinks for sustained supply. Evening beverages lower stress hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol constricts blood vessels. When you sip something soothing before bed, your nervous system shifts into relaxation mode. Arteries stay open longer during sleep. This is when your body performs most of its cellular repair work. After 2 to 4 weeks, measurable changes typically appear. Blood pressure readings become more stable. Skin tone improves as perfusion increases. Many people report they can sit through winter evenings without needing extra blankets. These small signals indicate that microcirculation has reawakened. A common question is whether food can provide the same benefits. The answer is yes. Leafy greens, garlic, citrus fruits, and berries all reinforce these effects. However, beverages act faster because liquids absorb quickly. Within 15 to 30 minutes, nutrients enter your bloodstream without requiring extensive digestion. Another frequent question: can these drinks replace prescribed medication? The answer is no, they complement it. These beverages help your body work more efficiently alongside your doctor's treatment plan. Always inform your physician about significant dietary changes, especially if you take blood thinners. Think of this as creating a morning to evening circulation ritual. Wake up, sip something warm and cleansing. Midday, nourish your endothelium with nitrate-rich options. Evening, relax your vascular system with calming beverages. Over time, this rhythm becomes second nature. The result is steady legs, warm extremities, and a mind that feels sharper because circulation truly is whole body health. Here is a hidden benefit. Improved circulation affects brain function and mood. Nitric oxide also dilates cerebral blood vessels. Better leg circulation equals enhanced cognitive performance and reduced anxiety. More oxygen to the brain improves neurotransmitter balance, particularly serotonin and dopamine. Even light movement after drinking these beverages multiplies their benefit. Try ankle circles, toe taps, or gentle calf raises. Muscle contraction triggers additional nitric oxide release. Circulation equals motion. There are important safety considerations. If you take blood-thinning medications, discuss celery and grape juice intake with your healthcare provider. Always avoid commercial juices loaded with added sugars. Sugar inflames blood vessels, which cancels the nitric oxide benefits. Some wonder whether coffee helps circulation. In moderation, black coffee causes brief dilation. However, excessive consumption actually tightens arteries. That is why replacing excess coffee with hibiscus tea creates steadier, sustainable blood flow. Let me explain each drink's mechanism. Lime water boosts an enzyme called nitric oxide synthase, especially when vitamin C concentrations are optimal. Turmeric reduces inflammatory cytokines that damage endothelial cells. Celery delivers nitrates that bypass age-related declines in natural production. Watermelon provides citrulline, which converts to arginine, the direct precursor for nitric oxide. Hibiscus suppresses the enzyme that breaks down nitric oxide. Cacao enhances oxygen delivery to working muscles. Grape juice protects against oxidative damage that stiffens arterial walls. And the spinach-cucumber fusion combines multiple nitrate sources with supportive minerals. One of the most dramatic benefits is loss of leg heaviness. Within days, climbing stairs feels easier. The physics are simple. Wider arteries create less resistance. Your arteries behave like drinking through a straw. When the opening widens, flow smooths out. A secondary benefit is improved nerve health. Poor circulation starves peripheral nerves, causing numbness or tingling. As blood flow returns, nerves begin firing properly again. Many people notice their balance improves because their feet can actually feel the ground again. This sensory feedback is crucial for preventing falls. Let us not overlook hydration itself. Even mild dehydration thickens your blood. Adults over 60 often drink less water to avoid bathroom trips, but this silently damages circulation. Each beverage provides functional hydration along with active compounds. When cells are properly hydrated, red blood cells glide smoothly through capillaries. Consider real-life applications. Imagine a 68-year-old man who rarely walks because his feet feel frozen. After adding watermelon juice each morning, his daily step count doubles naturally. Or picture an 80-year-old woman suffering nightly leg cramps. She begins drinking hibiscus tea after dinner. Within 12 days, the cramps disappear. These are examples of blood flow physics meeting consistent action. Sometimes progress stalls. That is when you need to examine sodium intake. High salt consumption constricts vessels and counteracts nitric oxide. Keep total sodium under 2,000 milligrams daily. Use potassium-rich foods like bananas and sweet potatoes to balance electrolytes. There is also debate about supplements versus whole food drinks. Pills claiming to boost nitric oxide rarely match the complexity of natural beverages. Your body recognizes real plant compounds because they arrive with cofactors like vitamin C, magnesium, and flavonoids. That is why sipping fresh drinks is superior to swallowing isolated supplements. To sustain motivation, track observable changes. Check your leg temperature each morning. Notice whether visible veins become less prominent. Pay attention to how quickly you can stand up from a chair. Small victories reinforce the habit. After approximately 30 days, blood vessels undergo structural adaptation. They literally remodel slightly wider, improving long-term endurance. At that point, missing an occasional day will not erase progress. Finally, let us discuss what to avoid. Sugary sodas, heavy alcohol, and excessive coffee all constrict arteries. Each time you replace one of these with a circulation-boosting beverage, you create a double benefit. Less constriction plus more dilation equals compounded improvement. Remember Margaret from the beginning. After 6 weeks, she not only walked 2 miles on her birthday, she also rejoined her community garden group, something she had abandoned years earlier. Now she spends Saturday mornings tending tomatoes with friends. Her daughter said Margaret seems 10 years younger. That is the power of restored circulation and vitality. Let me give you a quick summary. Circulation equals life force. After 60, your arteries need support to remember how to open fully. Nitric oxide is the master key, and nature provides it through 8 proven beverages: lime water, turmeric milk, celery juice, watermelon juice, hibiscus tea, raw cacao, grape juice, and green vegetable fusion. Each one delivers a gentle molecular message to your vessels to relax and flow freely. When your blood moves smoothly, everything transforms. Warmth returns to your extremities. Energy rebounds. Your mind clears. That power sits quietly waiting in your kitchen right now. So tomorrow morning, before reaching for pills, pour something alive and natural. Let your first sip remind your body that vitality is not gone. It is simply waiting for better circulation to reawaken it. Keep your drinks natural, your body moving, and your heart open to flow.